Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually withdraw from Trust Wallet directly to your bank. Okay, so if you've been having this difficulty of having to withdraw from your Trust Wallet directly to your bank, or you've been wondering how can you do that, don't worry. In this video I'm going to put you through all of that. First of all, make sure you are logged in into your Trust Wallet account. If you're not, please go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet account. Okay, so yes, basically we need two things. First of all, we need your Trust Wallet, and second of all, we need a trading platform, or a platform that or a crypto exchange platform. Okay, example of a crypto exchange platform is MEXC. MEXC is similar to that of Binance. I don't know what's wrong with Binance. Binance is not opening on my laptop right now, so I had to make use of MEXC for now. Okay, so basically I make use of MEXC. I prefer making use of MEXC than using Binance. Okay, yeah. So apart from MEXC, there are also lots of platform depending on your location. If you're in Nigeria, you can make use of Roku.com to as your exchange platform. Another platform you can also make use of if you're in South Africa is Valor. Okay, Valr.com. Okay, Valr.com is also a platform that allows you to buy cryptocurrency and do lots more, and also yes, it's available for those in South Africa, Nigeria, depending on your location. Okay, so yes, if you prefer using any of these platforms depending on what you want to use, yeah, you can go ahead and use them. Okay, so yes guys, if you're actually new to my YouTube channel, yes, all you just have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel. Here on my channel I make videos concerning cryptocurrency, I make videos on tech tutorials, I also make product reviews on I make product reviews on products like the latest iPhones, latest Android, and lots more. Okay, so yes, if you do love the video I make on my channel, then all you just have to do is make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Okay, so let's dive in for the video. As you can see, currently I'm on my Trust Wallet account. So recently I lost like two of my Trust Wallet accounts that has like about that had funds in them. Okay, basically. So yes, so right now I don't have any currency, or I don't have any currency on Trust Wallet, but I'm going to put you through without it. Okay, so yes, I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically, let me say I have some amount of Bitcoin. As you can see currently here on my Trust Wallet, you can see I have 0. If assuming I have about 50 BTC, let us assume 50 BTC, that's a lot of money, right? Yeah, so let me say assuming I have 50 BTC in my account and I want to send it out. I want to send it out to my bank account. It's very easy. All I just have to do is here on Trust Wallet, tap on BTC. Once you tap on BTC, you're going to see the value of the BTC you have in this place. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to select on either send, because you want to send or receive. But since you are sending the BTC out of Trust Wallet, you need to tap on send. Okay, so you tap on send, and yeah, they're going to request that you paste a recipient's address. So for you to get your recipient's address, all you have to do is come to MEXC, for example, come to assets, then come to accounts. I'm going to paste the link for you to create an account on MEXC in my description below, so in case if you prefer to register under MEXC, then trust me, you can. Okay, yes, so the next thing I'm going to do is come to this BTC section and tap on withdraw deposit, because since I'm sending out of Trust Wallet, I'll click on send. Since I'm trying to receive here on MEXC, I'll click on deposit. Okay, because I'm trying to bring in Bitcoin. Then yeah, you're going to see your deposit address. Copy your deposit address. Okay, so once you copy your deposit address, then you'll be able to once you copy your deposit address, then come back to this place, paste your recipient address, paste it, then amount, input the amount. Since I want to transfer 50, I'll click on 50, then click on continue. Right now it's saying the recipient address is invalid. This is because I'm just screen recording my phone on my laptop. Okay, yeah, so I can actually copy. If I copy this address on my laptop, I can't paste it here. I don't know, but let me see if it's possible. Okay, it's not working. Okay, so yeah, I can't do that. So yes, the next thing the next thing is, once you've deposited your BTC, as you can see currently here, I have my BTC. I have my BTC here on, or this amount of BTC, as you can see, is very very small, not up to $1, or let me say it's more, maybe more than $1 a little bit. Okay, so yeah, what I'm going to do is, in order for me to make my money out of this, is I'm going to sell this coin. I'll sell BTC against USDT. So let me say I've successfully sent done that from BTC to USDT. Then I can go ahead and if I want to send this to another person, I can go ahead and send it to another person. Okay, but since we want to directly withdraw to our bank, we can do that by putting this crypto up for sale on MEXC platform. So if you come down to buy crypto, you're going to see where you can actually buy crypto. But let me just explain a few things. If you're in Nigeria and you want to sell, you can just come to Roku. That's why I actually mentioned Roku in this video. So you can go ahead and make use of Roku. Roku is very simple to use. So I'll just log into my account and show you what I'm trying to talk about. Okay, I know this might actually take a while, but yeah. So I'll just log in, then once I'm done, I'll just continue the video. Okay, so yes, finally I'm in my account. Okay, so it's loading. Yes, so as you can see, it's similar. I think Roku also might work for those in South Africa, I don't know, but if you're in South Africa, I prefer you use Valor. This Valor. Okay, Valor is really amazing. As you can see, it's for those in South Africa. As you can see the South African currencies. I don't know how to pronounce it. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please just correct me. Okay, yes, so as you can see, that's just it. So yes, what you just need to do is, once I have BTC in my account here, okay, I have BTC here in my account, then I'll just click on sell, basically, because I want to sell my BTC. Okay, so I'll just click on sell. So as you can see currently here, I have other currencies. That I have Dogecoin, so I can go ahead and sell Dogecoin, and here I'll just say, okay, proceed to sell. Okay, insufficient token, because I can't sell this because this is very small or something. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so it's very small or something. Yeah, so what I'll just do is, so once you've successfully be able to sell that coin, the next thing you need to do is you need to come to withdraw. Once you come to withdraw section, you're going to options to transfer your money directly to your bank by clicking this the withdraw to bank or P2P or whatever means. Then you can go ahead and use it. But in Nigeria, we can't withdraw to our bank. Yes, because cryptocurrency is actually banned in Nigeria right now, so it's not proper. So the right way for you to do this is for you to sell on other exchange platforms like MEXC, and also selling on platforms like Binance and lots more. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the P2P platform looks like on MEXC. It's loading. Okay, basically there are some coins. I don't know why there is no. Okay, yes, as you can see right now, it's showing. These are the people that are selling USDT for now. So you can go ahead and sell your own USDT on this platform. Okay, so once you sell your USDT on this platform, then you'll be able to get your money instant. Okay, yes, and also another way for you to sell your coin, if you don't want to make use of this exchange platform, or sorry, this crypto exchange platform, you can go ahead and post online on social media, advertising that yes, you have a particular coin up for sale and you're going to sell it for this amount. But make sure you do your research before you sell a particular coin. Yeah, so that's it guys for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. So thanks for watching. See you in another video like this.